It's the Barndo. It's the Barndo. What is going on, everybody? My name is Reagan Weiss. Josh is behind the camera. I am Nick Holmes' partner, and we are here at the Barndo, Wesley Chapel, Pasco County. Let's go take a look. All right, so a couple things that need to get done yet. So, like, don't be picking it. I know you people, oh, it's not done yet. There's some stuff that needs to get done, so let's come inside. Come on in. All right, as you can see, when you first come in, the floors are still being protected, so we have that going on. But beautiful, beautiful vaulted ceilings all the way to the top. You can see our exposed beams going all the way through. But right here to your left, this is pretty cool, guys. Check this out, huge fish tank. And it's kind of cool to see the vision finally come to life. You know, this entire time they're like, I have this really big fish tank and I'm gonna have all these fish here and we're putting plumbing in, we're doing all these things, and now you know why, because it's their dream coming to life. Pretty awesome. And now you're coming into their kitchen area and their kind of sitting room area. So this is different. I didn't expect this. I thought this huge wall, you'd have like a 100-inch television. I was thinking that was gonna happen. But what they're doing is they're going in with like a 65-inch vertical, which is cool. So they can watch it that way, but also it's gonna be able to come out and then turn, and then they could turn this way. So when they're relaxing on the porch, they could watch TV that way or that way or that way. Pretty cool. Let's head into the kitchen. This is pretty cool. So what's really neat about this is that the customer, you know, communicates with us prior. They're like, I have this very large table. And, you know, we really don't see these things. They give us the measurement, but we don't see what it looks like. So here's their very large table that they wanted. And obviously this is the most important part of the house, in my opinion. I think it's the best. This is where conversations happen. This is where you eat with your family. This is where all the ideas happen when you're sitting at the kitchen table. So kind of really cool to see it come to life. Then into the kitchen. So I really love the look they went with, guys. And I wish you could see this. I wish you could feel what I feel, because it has a texture to it. It's really cool. It's like it's a matte finish. It's really pretty. And obviously their subway tile. And if you look at the subway tile, it's an imperfect tile, and that's why I really like it. It's imperfectly perfect, if you will. It's got a bunch of imperfections on it, nothing smooth. It's literally the Barndo look. This looks absolutely beautiful. I love the hardware that they chose. I love the corners that they chose. Really nice in cabinetry. And super simple too. No crown, nothing crazy, no lower molding, just super simple cabinets. But I do love their customized hood, and I think that came out fantastic. Obviously gas here, and on the other side, Josh, check this out. Microwave in the island. And that makes it really easy, especially for kids and grandkids when they're coming over. All your soft close drawers, pull drawers. Look at that, nice and easy. Look at that, the moms love this. Oh, ooh, I forgot about this. So look at this. You have inserts where you have the wax paper in here, right? Your foil, and then your plastic. How cool is that? So you actually get to do the plastic that, wrap it over, and then zoop, cut it. What? Super cool. And then obviously forks and knives and all that stuff. Then you go and obviously into more drawers and pull drawers for pots and pans all the way to the bottom. Here's the deal. Pretty tall, and look at this. These are up on stands, if you will. Look how high. Like we're literally right here, almost waist high here for workability. So if you're not bending over to do your bills or you're doing over to work, you have a nice little stool here, work on your computer. So I really like this little work area that we put here. The only thing I would have done different, Josh, is I would have put a backsplash here to match it. It's the only thing I would have done differently, but other than that, they could always add that when they want. So let's go on to the next room. So I'm pretty sure you've seen these ceilings by now. And these are really cool tongue and groove ceilings. A lot of work, time, love, effort went into these ceilings. Going throughout the whole house to stay consistent, pretty awesome. That's an access door up there to the AC vents. So AC closet, storage, etc. A lot of storage up there, believe it or not. Then obviously into the master bathroom. Watch your steps, sir. We have his and hers with a lower vanity for the makeup area with strategically placed plugs. Their mirrors that they chose, their lights that they chose, and this beautiful clawfoot tub that this is what they wanted. They said, we want a tub. And I'm usually not a fan of these anymore, but you know, people still like their tub, they like their bath. So they put this in, the clawfoot tub. I think it matches wonderfully. You have the nice, beautiful handle here, and then obviously your walk-in shower. And then we're gonna have glass that sits on top of this, and then your private laboratory. Okay, Josh, let's go in here. All right, this is the laundry. Once again, matching the countertops all the way through. I think it's super simple to stay consistent throughout the entire home. It makes the selection process a lot easier as well when we're going through selections, so nice and consistent through the entire house. Obviously matches the bottom cabinetry really nicely, but then we have accents up here as well. Rod going across when they do their clothes, boom, 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 hang it here. You got washer, dryer here, obviously dryer needs to be put in, and then your sink on the opposite side, beautiful sink. Obviously, your standard utility sink, this is a lot better than that. This is our pantry, believe it or not, with a very, very large freezer, super cool. And then obviously they have their custom cabinetry. This is really cool. These people are very eclectic. They have their own style. They brought this in this beautiful antique cabinet that was refinished, so they're obviously doing that and using it as they see fit. And then obviously your cabinets in here. So back into the main room. Obviously awesome fish tank right there. And if you guys want to see what the fish tank room is all about, it's right here. So super narrow, but check this out, guys. So all the plumbing is here. It's hidden on the other side, so it's really nice and clean. Fish tank, this is like a professional fish tank, people. I don't know, what would that even be called, Josh? What is that word? I don't even know. We'll just call them professional fish tank people. So you have your Studer vent here to let everything breathe, and then they're gonna have a table here where they can come in, and this is where they can, when they get new fish or they come in with new fish or new materials, there'll be a workbench right here. And then once again, another utility sink. Let's hit into the master. Now we are into the master closet. Obviously they still have to hang up all of their stuff, but I love how they went consistent with the baseboards. Usually you would have your standard baseboards, your white baseboards going through, but they matched the ceiling, the crown on the top, and also to the bottom, so that worked really well. And I'm actually walking on luxury vinyl planking, very, very sturdy, very, very durable, and we're putting this in the majority of our homes. And I don't care if your house is 300,000 or 3.2 million, this is what everyone's putting in their houses right now. We have another hidden door up there, but you can see the lights, they go to the tone of my voice. Watch this. It's pretty cool, I'm just saying. All right, so we're coming this way. We can't show you that super cool, actually we could show you this private cool room. We could show you this part. I really like this room, I like how it turned out. Lots of different colors in here. I didn't think I was gonna like this color. I like it a lot. Also, the homeowner made this awesome stainless glass, which is pretty cool. You gotta give them props for that talent, because that's something that me and Nick never could do. But I love the Tiffany looking lamp as well for the fan, and this is their office. Flip it around, let's go to their cool bathroom. All right, the light's dim, you can't see it in here, but the woodwork in here, super awesome. It just gives you that Barndo feel. Check out that really, really cool sink. Now we are headed into the kids' wing of the house. We have the barn doors right here. We have kids' room 1, kids' room 2, and then their bathroom. So you will come into here, once again with the darker colors, which I really like. Boom, right there with your nice little valve right there. Cool looking light, and then into the shower, and this obviously will have your shower door. Come on in here, you have the waterfall metal look going down, and then 2 niches for their own stuff. Then obviously, yes, you'll have that, and then your toilet over here, and then let's go into the room. All right, so we're here. I'm in the mood for a Mountain Dew all of a sudden. This is the green room, we call it, because if you flip it around, you can see a really nice green wall that they chose, and it's cool. It's the kids' room, it's what they want, so you give the customer what they want. And then another bedroom here, super cool fan, closets in here, plenty of closet space, and then obviously front windows that go to the front of the house. So you've got a small tour, but stay tuned because this is just a sneak peek of the final. We're gonna be having a grand opening and we want you to come. So stay tuned for that date. We don't know what date that's gonna be yet, but we want everyone to see the Barndo process. We want you to meet our clients, see what they've done to this house and see how really cool it is, all right? So stay tuned for that date and we'll see you soon.